Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to North Lakeport, Michigan, a quiet and scenic community just north of Lakeport, along the shores of Lake Huron. This area is known for its peaceful lakeside views, friendly neighborhoods, and access to all the outdoor fun the region offers. The history of North Lakeport is closely tied to the development of Lakeport in the 1800s, when the area grew as a port for shipping and recreation along the Great Lakes. Over the years, North Lakeport has remained a small community with easy access to beaches, parks, and trails. Whether you're here to explore the lake, enjoy outdoor activities, or just take in the relaxing atmosphere, North Lakeport, Michigan has something for everyone.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for joining us on this tour of North Lakeport, Michigan. Thanks for watching!